tell me about your job and what are you doing here today at Atritor for the project for fly ash?
So I represent the Mineral Products Association, which is the trade body in the UK for a wide range of mineral products. That includes things like cement and concrete, dimension stone, silica sand, aggregates, asphalt, and our cement producers in particular use fly ash in different cements in the UK. Now, it's really important to us for a number of reasons. The fly ash gives certain performance characteristics to the cement and then the concrete that it goes into, but it also helps reduce our carbon because it replaces some of the high carbon components of our cement. So it's really, really important to us. Now, we know that the amount of fly ash in the UK is declining because coal-fired power is being shut down due to government targets and carbon emissions. So this project's really, really important to us. We know there are these huge stockpiles of ash in deposits across the country, and using them and being able to process them into a material that is suitable for cement will mean we can carry on using it and producing those materials.
So basically, here is a stockpile that's been building up over many years, and it's readily available for people who want to use this as a value stream.
So it's there, but it's not in its current form. You can't just dig it out of the ground and then use it in cement. It does have to be processed. It has to have a certain particle size and reactivity, and that's why this project is so important, because it processes that material and turns it into a really useful product for us.
So what are you seeing as the combination of Atritor and STET when you say you need that step, you need to, in effect, refine the fly ash? Is this ready to go? Is this something where people can begin quite quickly?
I think the project here is demonstrating that the technology exists, and this sort of coming together of the two, the Atritor and the STET. The Atritor to do that de-agglomeration, and then the STET to separate the carbon out of the material, make it essentially is consistent and it sounds like even better actually than fresh fly ash that we use directly from the coal-fired power stations at the moment. So that's ash that hasn't been put into these stockpiles. I think the Atritor technology is really, interesting. The way they're de-agglomerating rather than grinding to make sure that the ash maintains the particles and the things that make it cementitious, which is really important for use in cement and concrete. And then the STET technology just to separate out that carbon. I think you need both together to produce that useful product at the end. But they're both just really interesting. The two companies working together is great to see.
So how many tons of fly ash are there ready to go, and how long will it take to use all of it?
Well, I'm not sure I have the answer to that one, I'm afraid. I know the cement industry is using hundreds of thousands of tonnes a year, so that's the sort of level of tonnage we're looking for as a sector. And hopefully with the scale up, this is obviously just a demonstration, but with the scale up of this technology, it would be great to see that need met.